Now, this is what I'm actually expecting on DXY. If you look at DXY, where we are coming from, we already take out this liquidity, right? Fill this level of inefficiency price action area, then we have filled that inefficiency. So I'm expecting the market to push all the way, at least to take out this low again, to fill this inefficiency again. We have inefficiency here. Before, even though if the market is going to continue the normal trend, but I'm expecting that sell up to this level before any major buy is going to happen. That is what I'm expecting on this DXY. Now, where are we now looking to sell DXY from to continue the selling? Since we're already on a selling mode, scaling down to our lower time frame, let's use 30 minutes here as example. If you look at 30 minutes, market has started delivering bearish. The delivery is still what? Very, very strong bearish on the inner time frame. Lower low, a lower high like that, right? So this is where I'm expecting. Why am I expecting this area? Because of this liquidity here. So I'm expecting them to take out this high, right? Once they take out this high, then we look for a way to scale into for the sell. Then where are we targeting? We are targeting this what? This low for them to grab out this liquidity, then possibly reach this inefficiency area before any major reversal is going to happen. This is what I'm expecting on my DXY. This is what I'm expecting on. And mind you, some of you will be telling, so what about this other block or maybe this imbalance? You see what is going to happen? They are going to induce people. There's high possibility of them inducing. Please don't disturb my class. Mute yourself, else I'll just kick you out of the class. I told you after my explanation, then you can ask your question. Now, look at what happened there. Then we are expecting the market to grab out this high, then approach this area before we start looking for a buying opportunity. But for now, I'm bearish on the XY for this coming week, up to this level before the major buy is going to, before any major buy that is going to happen. That is what I'm expecting anyway. So now let's move to the next pair, since we already know what the XY is talking about. Now let's look at odd USD. Now, if we are expecting a sell on the XY, automatically our odd USD, we should be expecting a buying entry from there, right? So we should be expecting a buy. Now, why am I expecting a buy? Let's look at a higher time frame. Let's look at what the daily is doing. You have to look at where you are coming from. It's very, very important. Now look at the daily time frame. Look at where we are coming from. The market have grabbed this liquidity. They already take out this liquidity here, right? The market already take out that inducement liquidity that was there. And once the inducement liquidity was grabbed, what happened from there? The market continued pushing very bullishly to the upside. And again, if you look at the weekly time frame again, look at the candlestick, very strong bullish, right? Kind of a very strong bullish reversal candlestick pattern. So in which I'm still expecting more buys on there. Now, since we are expecting more buys, how are we going to take that buy? Look at what the market has been doing, right? Formation of a higher highs, a higher lows, higher highs, right? Market push all the way down to grab out this low, grab out this liquidity, then we push up again, right? Now, this is what I'm expecting from a lower time frame. I'm expecting them on a 15-minute time frame. I'm expecting them to take out this area as an inducement area, then grab into this other block. So once they grab into this other block, which is also in confluence with this trend line third touch, right? For those of you using trend line. So it's also in confluence with this trend line third touch, right? And as well this other block for the smart money traders. So, and again, this level is a kind of a very valid zone for me, according to my own method of trading, because they use this level to sweep this liquidity. They use it to sweep this low, then they expand to the upside to create a new higher high. So now, again, the market area is also having it's also having a liquidity below it. So that was why I'm also expecting a major buy around this area. If the market should pull back, I'm expecting that major buy around here. So that is my perspective on that as well. Expecting that. Okay, so that is for that on the odd USD. I'm expecting a buy up to this level, up to this next inefficiency area. So once we approach here, then I can now start looking for a sell. So that shows that all these high for me are liquidity. Okay, so once we obtain this area, once you approach this area, then I can now start looking for a major selling opportunity. That is what I'm expecting anyway. So the next one is Euro USD. Euro USD as well. Let's look at where we are coming from on Euro USD. Let's look at the daily time frame manually. Now look at the daily time frame as well. What happened? They take out they induce people here. People looking to go long here based due to this other block. So people who is looking to take a buy here, right, based on this other block, they got induced out. So now I'm expecting to take, like I'm looking to take a buy for this coming week again because of where we're actually coming from. And as well, where am I looking to take a buy? I'm looking to take a buy around this area. I'm looking to take a buy around this area. Once they take out this low, I'm looking to take a buy around this area up to this trend line, right? So anything around here, I'll be looking to take my buy from there. That is what I'm also looking at on Euro USD. For now, that is what I have my eyes on Euro USD. Then my GBP USD, also the same thing as well. GU, we have been going long since on Wednesday, we have been going long with my students, right? So now if you look at it as well, it's also the same thing. Let's look at the daily time frame as well. Look at where we are coming from, right? A very strong zone. And again, the way the daily also closed, it shows a very strong bullish reversal. So now, since we are still expecting more sales on our DXY, then I'm expecting another buy up to this level. This is where I'm looking to take a sell. But before that, I'll be looking to take a buy around this area up to that level. I'll be looking to take a buy around this area up to this, our next level that we're going to be looking to take our major selling opportunity from. Our major sales are going to be happening around this area. So that is what I have my eyes. Then gold. Look at gold. Also very, very sweet setup as well. Look at where gold is coming from, a very strong demand level, where we are coming from, a very strong one. And as well, a counter trend line, third touch, right? Now, let's look at how gold has been forming a series of a higher highs and a higher low. Higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low. So now we have a major opportunity of coming all the way to this area again on our gold. We have a major opportunity of attaining this area, at least to this area. So we'll be looking to scale in our buy if the market should pull back from here around this area. We'll be looking to take our buy. We'll be looking to take our buy around this 2000 level, which is also in confluence with this trend line. Then I'll be looking to take a buy 2000 area. So it's a very strong major level for me where I'm looking to go long on gold for this coming week. Okay, then USD chef, the same thing, I'm looking to sell on USD chef. USD chef is sell, but I have not find a very good area to scale in, but I'll be looking to take a sell, but no specific area for now. Now, this card chef as well, let's look at card chef. Let's look at where we are coming from, right? Card chef has also been very strong bearish, lower low, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, right? Now, look at where we approach around this area now. From the daily, you can see the way the market is pushing. Now, let's look at 4 hours. Look at 4 hours. Look at where we are coming from on 4 hours. A very strong area. A clear of this high, right? Market induced use here as a liquidity level, in which that was what the market came all the way to come and grab. Now the market has been delivering bearish. So we are now on a bearish phase on the lower time frame. Market is now delivering bearish, lower low, a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So now I didn't see this area. I should have scaling around this area if I should see because of this, the grab of this liquidity. But nonetheless, during this week, I'm expecting the market to pull back. If it pull back to this area, then I'll be looking to take a short around this area to the downside. Then they should grab this liquidity for us. Then I'll be looking to short my card chips to the downside, all the way at least to this level, at least to this level. So that is what I'm expecting. Don't draw on my screen. Clinton, what is your name? I will just remove you. So that is what I'm expecting as well. Then Euro Chef as well. Wow, nice one. I think I have to remove you now. And you never join my class again. I promise you. I told you not to draw on my screen, and you have the guts to keep on drawing. Bye-bye. So let's continue. So if you look at Euro Chef as well, you see the structure also look like that of the card chef. Look at where we are coming from. Market sweep out this high as well. Then market already grabbed this liquidity up to that level. So I'm looking to take a more sell on it during this week because of why market has started delivering bearish. How can I call this? So because the market has started delivering bearish, so I'm expecting to take a sell, a more sell on this area. This is where I'm looking to take more sell. From 15-minute time frame, you can see it much better around this area. So if they should pull back, based on what we are expecting our card chef to do, then we'll be looking to take a sell. That is what I'm also expecting on this card, on this Euro chef rather. A very sweet trade as well. Then Euro GBP. Euro GBP, let's look at it. Look at where we have been reacting on from the daily time frame. Where we have been reacting on the daily time frame. A very sweet zone, right? Market taking out this level, then look at what we are having from there. So, and as well, they reacted off this psychological level of 0.8500. That was where they reacted from. Then I'm expecting them, if they should pull back to this area, then I'll be looking to go long. This 1 hour time frame anyway. So I'll be looking to go long around this area if they should pull back to this zone for me. This is what I'm expecting on Euro GBP as well. Euro GBP. A buy. Possible buy, at least. Then next one was pounds odd. Let's look at what am I looking on pounds odd? Now look at pounds odd. We already started reacting off this area, feeling those inefficiency. Market already feel those inefficiency, and we are already seeing a reaction from there to the downside. All right, you're already seeing a reaction from there to the downside. So now, how should we scale in? And again, look at the momentum on the daily time frame. It's very strong bearish, right? So how can we scale in on this bearish scenario here? We have to look for what? A next liquidity level. Where's our next liquidity level? This is the high. This area. So now anything around this area, if the market should pull back to grab out this liquidity, then anything around this area will be looking to take a short on that to the downside. That is what I'm also seeing on the pounds odd. It's going to be a very sweet trade as well. So anything around that area, to possibly push a little bit to this area, but anything around this area, I'll be looking to go short with a confirmation. So I think that is all I have my eyes on for the week. Then if you have any question, let's do question and answer session now. Let me stop the recording so that I can be able to upload it.